What's up guys, Satish here, and today I'm back with another video, and in this video we are gonna make gaming review of Redmi Note 6 Pro, which is going to be launched in India next month on November 1st. Let's game. By default it recommended low graphics gameplay. I did not come across any lags or frame drops initially or during the gameplay. The experience was smooth and subtle, and Snapdragon 636 chipset does good job in handling. Then I went to graphics settings screen and changed to smooth graphics from low graphics to test the performance. Initially it kind of lagged and frame dropped as well, but it was not noticeable at all. But as game progressed, it was smooth as well. Let's play NFS No Limits and test. Definitely, I haven't experienced any lags or frame drops during the course of gameplay. So Redmi Note 6 Pro gets thumbs up in gaming, as it proved it's a phone that can handle huge games as well. So that's it in this video. And if you think I deserve a credit for making this video, then hit the subscribe button to watch more videos like this.